Mama yapata mzicire we. Mama we. Guma. Mama we. Mama we.
Afande garo mutorche.
Bamwizikira.
Atende tumakeji. Basemeye kuba bari no mu.
Mama we.
Basemeye kuba bakadiga. Kugenda.
Basta estado ainda twacire bo bukaka kugwini. Hate barya yihakanira.
Criminal case number 229 CRB 71 Uganda versus A by Beyeleza Makiha and Edu Rutaro Valoya. Government Levunana Beyeleza Makiha hamwe na Rutaro Valoya umushango 229 Kashare usanzwe na usanzwe yemwe. Beyeleza and Rutaro have been accused of murder to a woman named as Kereni, who was 38 years old. The two did this act on 8 June 2015 at 7:15 p.m. in Banana Plantation and buried her alone. Mr. Beyeleza Nataro government yavugana mushango ukito mkazi arufetwa Kereni imyaka 78 bombi babiri bakachukura ibirunana kwa muganga ibiri kunetano shaha mushanzu ndachigana n'itano kandi bamuzika ku mutoke urunga akesi Tekembo ya Nancy
However, doing all these acts, someone was watching, and this was someone the one of the criminals. However, doing all these acts, there was someone watching, and this was the son, the one of the criminals. This witness was written to be killed.
And
no, the witness was written to be killed. If he said or utter out anything, may I see this witness?
Number 1.
May he stand up? Now. So are you sure you saw these people killing? Explain to him. Are you sure you saw these people killing the woman? May you swear? Now, tell us what happened, what you saw. You said the mother to man. Where is the man? This is the son to Kereni.
Muzamu.
Era umuhanzi akimuka aje kurakera kwiyakirayo kagayandi marizi ayizwa kunakira na yumara boto ina beria kureka
Bose ho.
Shamba. Bora.
You are coming from where?
Manukai.
ayizu
What were you doing at the stream?
Kano zakora chi?
tamizi
Muzamu.
kuna beria na yumara boto kuna beria kukayo delta ataka inu na rabaria kumtoa kai
How many ways do you have when you are going to the stream?
Imahanda ni kenga ya muzamu jara kwani.
nimande
And if there is any question from the audience
Kwa haleno nebuzo urugo muri mwe
related to this case,
kwatena n'umushango
you may also ask.
mbaza kubuza. Yes.
Amazina banyita David Mugwezi. Nyine imyaka 21.
Muzamu.
Nabari nenda kubuza umwami Kakobe
Babuza.
ubushobozi buyahereza oba ibintu bita omukazi ogwe zikaba zirashazingana kandi hakaba hariho distance ki aho bamwitiye nayo yaba yemereye.
Thank you. Apo, will you come and defend yourself?
Babaza kwiza kadifendinga. Ubuzo abuza. Gamba munga.
zikaziringa shamushasha kandi umuntu uko babiri babo bakabaringa
Distance kungana ki? Nane kwa birori.
bakabaringa ngarayo mukamesherekera
Okay.
Sistema.
Where were you hiding?
Awacho yese.
Where were you hiding?
mukamesherekera zishiti cy'umwana
Okay.
Amazina ni Bahati Soita Umugisha nyine myaka 29. Ekibuzo ni mbuza abazurizi obubahereza tubukwatagana. Kakobe nagira ngo omukazi akiza yabasanga omuka bamutuma hize kandi nuwo muyagarika yagira ngo yarebishe nayita kandi umuramuzo mukusoma yatugira ngo omukazi akitwa yaziga mu rutoki. Kakobe we akakozesa bwiraki kurebuka ngo yaza hizeba yargayo kandi yasanga omukazi ogwe nayita then ngaraka mbuza mutabani wakifa yagira ngo nyina akaheza kweza buzere wanyuma yabona kuza kurunda kandi Kakobe ko yaje kumugambira yamugira ngo nyina kitu bataragaza baza polisi kuhababo kanyo ningira ngo obuzuruzo bunyaha bwanjye tubwanga kasakurebuka ngo abasibaba bakomwa no kupangira.
Surely satisfies the person that these two committed the offense.
Obuzuruzi obwarigire ari mutabani w'omugenzi n'omwana ayarebere ekyabintu kibaho n'abantu abagereza okucondoza nikyoreka ng'omuntu abasibaba bakakora omushaka.
According to the Penal Code Act 2566 subsection, the accused are people on death penalty or 40 years in jail. However, this is put on accused position to satisfy the court on their release of rights and freedom. Now, I ask these two, could you explain to them what I have read?
Kurugero omushaka guba akozere
Act 256.
Koti ni sharamu kubateka kubakoma emyaka 80
All of this penalty.
narshi okitwa.
I want to know what they are thinking.
Koti ni mshawachi
anesha wangu mutikendereza myaka ebe myaka ka mwaka kabumwe.
What is your name?
amazina gawe
Nyowe
What is your name?
amazina
baki habeyendesa
Here is the final judgment. After hearing this case, since 2016, and the evidence that has been collected, these two are truly murderers.
kurugero mushambo kwashobora rugoreka ngo abantu aba nabisi
Since 2016.
kuruga 2016.
Now, having enough evidence that you truly committed murder, I have authority and much trust given to me by the courts of the law of Republic of Uganda. Mr. Yendeza Bakiha and Mr. Tarwanyoya are hereby sentenced to serve 4 years in jail.
kurugera ahabushobozo bwarga umuramuzi rugoreka ngo Mr. Banyoya na mutahiwe baba koma Rwanda imyaka
Therefore, you will serve for 48 months in jail.
mwiza gukorera government imyaka imyezi 48.
And the court dismissed.
iruribo umwana nuwe yarebye ise nahita yagenda yagambiranye na umwana ikiri kandi uziko ngo umwana batahane barwani sisebo hati basaziremo kumuteka ngo bakita umuntu
n'ikindi umujuzi uyu mwana yahereza ngo akayeshirike yareba ukwita nuko yeshirike nore umuntu nahita mugenzo
kapangire benda kwibeke
umudakikisha tubatimbe kina bazikira mu muntu
hasa ko rugo kaba kutumira amizi gecane
nyote nakikirizo muramuzo gwa mechi tuga
apana
muramuzo gwa mechi tuga nyote nabikiriza
isuke cicwe kamiza ugakutahwa nutambura hesa hayona abo bakamutuma hizeba yazayo yargayo umudakikisha yareba bo kwita
mwana pia kwa nipa la nani shini mwana pia kwa nipa la nani shini akazanga gaga mawe rasa mwana rasa kuko mtamuzike toka leo mwana kwangishi aho mtahamizi ni hali mnoga
akaba yagiriye
akamureba mudakikisha akamura musliminati
hapana
moja wapo yanajisa ati ndomerewa kakobi
ekafa nabone basibuko basigaye wonka kakubu kuchera wabona mubuna makamba gabona kakobi
mushaka kudabira mu wawe ati ndoriya
kamwe hanangereza
tumbe